going, guys? Welcome to a new video today. I'm here at Good Guys. I'm here with my brothers and Antus.
What's up, guys?
So we're here. We actually came out here so we could sell some parts. We are currently like stationed. We have all the parts set up. So right now we're just walking, checking out the cars. A lot of cars are coming in. It's pretty early. So yeah. Sheesh. Woo. Got the bottle back there. Dude, when I retire, I would love one of these. Which one? This one? Damn, the steering wheel.
That's beautiful.
I used to see some guy like daily one like all the time. It was
Original
clean.
interior?
It probably has that, that old school thing. That's something that you're also paying for these cars, like new cars, they obviously have their new scent, their new touch. An old school,
Can't.
never be the same,
You can't buy that.
Yeah, can't buy that, yeah. All right, my brothers are here. Damn, we got some McDonald's, man.
Who wanted orange juice again?
Oh, that was Antus.
Anyone else?
Nah. Dude, I want some hot dogs. You look like you're on a mission.
To the bathroom.
We both have to take a piss. I just drink coffee and a beer. Weird ass combo, but
I've had 0 beers and 0 coffee.
liar.
I've had 3 beers and 0 coffee.
Oh look, they have a Willwood booth over there. Wow, that thing is a beauty. Holy shit. This thing's nice, man. Oof. I would love to drive one of these. Oh shit.
Yeah, I had one or whatever it is.
We're selling parts, we're doing good. Autocross is going on. Thanks to Eric, we got a pretty close position to see the track.
When did I sell my shit?
I don't know. So right now we're chilling, just drinking some beers here. Some Happy Dads. Playing some music.
Watch me sell like 10 beers right now.
You won't. Alright, so right now we're taking a break from selling. We're gonna go watch some cars. Huh? Let's fist bump him.
You know who we're missing? Do you remember in Scottsdale when he had Tim convinced that his parents were selling Mustang cars in the swap meet and they left him? 49314, is that clean?
My name is David Carroll, and this is my 1974 Chevy Blazer.
Alright.
It's a Gen 5 L83 5.3 out of like a Silverado Tahoe, a new one.
Okay.
It's direct injected and it's port injection with 2 high PSI.
Yeah.
We're running 16 injectors on E85. It's a full flex fuel vehicle, and we're making 850 horsepower at the crank.
Holy crap.
Twin turbo.
And that's what you're running right now at this track?
No, I'm running like 550.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can't use power out here.
Yeah. Wait, so where do you use that 800 horsepower?
On the road course.
Oh, okay. What big tracks do you go to?
Laguna, Sonoma, Thunder Hill, Road America, Texas, Kentucky.
Yeah. That's cool. That is sick, man.
Nothing crazy.
exhaust layout. Oh fuck!
Oh shit.
It looks like an RB.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know what RB though.
RB26.
Dude, this one's nice. Holy crap. This is a true race car right here. It's beautiful. This is legit. Holy crap. He has the radium tank. He has a catch can and a freaking dry sump.
Damn, the fabric on this is crazy.
Yeah. Got the exhaust going over the fucking axles. It looks way more spacious.
I smell ethanol too.
Yeah. I think me and my brother checked this car out last time. I don't remember seeing this ducting last time I seen it. It looks like they added some ducting. I don't remember seeing this. However, the engine has always been this far back. Last time we saw it at a Good Guys event. But this is definitely new. This is new for me to see. We're currently on a slow break right now. I think it's lunch hour. Everybody's eating lunch probably while we're here just waiting for some sales. Who wants hot dogs? Hey, you hungry for a corn dog or a hot dog?
Don't you gotta get a corn dog from mom and dad?
Yeah, later.
Or a hot dog?
Yeah. This thing's beautiful. I'll take this to the beach all day. Is this a diesel? Wow. Look at the detail, man.
Hidden.
Straightforward. I like how straightforward it is. You can't beat simplicity, man. All right, this is a nice build.
So beautiful.
Yeah. Dude. Holy shit. Wow. I love to daily drive this. Ooh-wee. That one, oh my god. If you guys seen American Graffiti, this reminds me of like the Deuce Coupe from the American Graffiti movie. I love this car a lot. I would love one of these. Holy shit. Look how wide this one is. Woo-wee. Look at that. That's hella wide. They're building it up. They have that car that comes every year. Oh, it's right there. I really want one of these cars. Look at that shit.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. Eat it. Yeah. Eat it.
Oh, is that a Grand National? Weren't we just talking about this? Dude, look at the seat. Oh my god, man. That's wild.
The owner of this car?
We just made it home. It was kind kind of a long drive. We're all exhausted. We woke up till 4 a.m. to get there at the spot pretty early because usually it takes a lot of time to set up and people start storming really early. So we had to make sure to get there really early. But other than that, if you guys enjoy this different type of video, just leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video.